Right. We are still on our LH514. LH514 LHD. It's an LHD. It's a loader. So we want to talk about the joysticks. The joysticks that we find in the operator's cabin. We have two joysticks. On your left hand side you have one joystick, and to your right hand side you have another joystick. If you do not observe carefully, these joysticks, they look similar. They look similar to each other. You might think it's the same thing, but these two joysticks are not the same. If you check to your left, it's a joystick for your steering right and steering left, steering right and steering left. And you also use the button underneath right there for selecting your gears: forward, neutral, reverse, neutral, forward, neutral, reverse. That is your left joystick. That is your left joystick. So you can see that this joystick only travels along your y-axis only. Its travel is only towards your y-axis. That is your steering left and right. Then you got that button for gears, forward and reverse. Then there are buttons on top of this joystick. So you select your gear number 2, number 3 with this button. So you gear up, gear down, gear up, gear down. You increase the gears with one button on your right, and you also reduce your gears on your left. Now when you go to the right hand side, the joystick on your right hand side, it travels in both your y-axis and your x-axis. Y-axis, x-axis. But this joystick does not have a button like that one which we have on our left hand side, that one which selects the